In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a bullet chart. First, I'm gonna choose two measures. In this case, life expectancy in females and in males. I'm gonna click in Show Me to localize where the bullet graph is, and I click it. After that, I see the sum, and I'm gonna change it to average, and also in the males, because I need to know where is the average, no, not the sum. Then I'm gonna choose region to see where is the region where is higher the life expectancy, and also I'm gonna order and swap. Swap the reference lines. As you can see, the region with the less life expectancy in females is Africa. And also we can see that the females has more life expectancy than males. In this video, I'm gonna create a combination chart. In this case, I'm gonna choose the total population and the population 65 to see what patterns are in the global population. In this case, I'm gonna choose population over 65 and population total, and I choose the combination chart. As we can see, both are growing the same. So the population is growing and the population is also aging. In this video, we are going to create a dual axis bar chart. For that one, I'm going to drop the year to the columns, and I'm going to choose the health expenses, GDP, percent of GDP, and the health expense per capita. I'm going to right click in Zoom health expense, and I'm going to choose dual axis. Now I have both health indicators, and I'm gonna choose the bar for the first one. I'm gonna change the color because this doesn't show what I need to visualize. For that, I'm gonna choose red, and for the second, I'm gonna choose blue. Now I'm gonna change the chart type to bar, and I have both indicators by years. So I'm gonna choose the regions to show in filter, and I'm gonna choose United States to see how do the health indicators performs in United States and what percent in average, what percent they use the health indicators per capita by years. In this video, we're gonna see how to create a map with a beast in the tooltip. For that, we're gonna generate the map with the latitude and longitude. I'm gonna choose the maps and add all members. As you can see, all the countries are represented. I'm gonna put the countries in color, and now we can see that. We're gonna do another sheet for the visualization that we're gonna show in the tooltip. In this case, I choose to put the CO2 emissions and the energy usage. By years in each country. That's why I need to see that, and I'm gonna put in two line chart. Now I'm going to tooltip and I'm going to insert and sheet. I choose the visualization that I just create, that line chart. Now when I hover the country, I can see the CO2 emissions and the energy usage over the years by country. In this video, we are gonna see how to create a donut chart. In this case, we are using the same dataset, is the world indicators. Let's start by creating a calculate field called placeholder 1 and give it a value of 1. Repeat the same step by creating a calculate field called placeholder 2, and let's give you the same values of 1. After that, we're gonna bring the two calculated fields to rows, and we're gonna choose the measure of minimum. The same for the placeholder 2. I'm gonna choose the minimum also. Then we're gonna bring the category. In this case, I choose region. We're gonna bring in two colors to identify each region, and we're gonna choose the pie. After that, we're gonna go to the first placeholder and we're gonna drag the tourist inbound because I want to know which region have more tourism inbound. In this case, the region that shows that have more tourists inbound is Europe. Then we're gonna go to the second placeholder and we're gonna change the color of that. For that, we're gonna delete the region and then choose the white. Go to size and we can increase or decrease the size. After that, we're gonna right click in the minimum placeholder and we're gonna choose double axis, and we can resize our donut chart to see more clearly the visualization that we want. In this case, I choose to we can put the numbers of the tourists inbound, or we also put in the labels the region names, because the numbers are it's dependent how you want to show the information. For this case, I choose to put the regions. It's visually more, it emphasizes more the information that I want to show. There is another option we can try it in order to visualize the information the most. And then we can choose to hide the headers to see more clearly what we are trying to show to our audience. And this is our donut chart.